Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So from here to here, Bitcoin is retracing. It's all about holding these lows, because if you don't hold these lows, this is your target. Okay, from there to there, that's where I think Bitcoin will go to, and you'll get a big bounce. There is a little bit of confluence here that could possibly play out, because from here to here, you're actually in a reversal wave, and you can see that what you've done here from this low, okay, because you retraced here to this low and you held it in a beautiful retracement in a lovely ABC, and then you got an impulsive break. Okay, and at that point you made a new all-time high there for Bitcoin. So at this point you was retracing to this low, okay, and what happened was you're falling through the support of that low. You're actually losing the support right now again. Okay, do you see that? You've come up, you ran into resistance, and right now it looks as though you're continuing with this trend. So essentially, you know, it could actually be the target that Bitcoin's looking for, and that could actually be the low in the correction over, and you could be looking at something like this, where you've got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, and this here is a bit of a bull trap. You see this here, this scenario, it's a bit of a bull trap basically, and at that point you're going to get this rug pulled down. So it's a possible scenario right now, and at that point you start to put in this low, 5 waves down, correction over, and this is some kind of running flat that I've shown you before. Okay, I keep showing you, so reminding you of this potential scenario that we're looking at right now for Bitcoin. Let me show you. We'll get rid of that. Is this running flat ABC correction that we're going through, and we've been going through it since here. So basically this is your top of wave 3, and here we're putting this A, B, C correction, and we're trying to find a low. Okay, so there is a bit of confluence that this 1272 and the 1414 fib of this big reversal wave is the actual target of this C leg down, possibly, because then that will bring us down in 5 waves. You understand that? And this is your bit of a bull trap. Just like this was a bit of a bull trap here. Let me show you. Look, we came up here, and this was a bit of a bull trap when we broke that resistance. Everyone got really bullish. At that point, we rolled, and we put in a new target down there, okay? Which was a target I gave everyone. This particular low down here. Let me drop this fib in. Horizontal line, sorry. Let me drop this horizontal line in for Bitcoin just there. That was a target that I gave everyone when you're rolling here, and no one believed me. It was on all my thumbnails, okay? And then as we rallied into the resistance here, I said to you, look, what you're doing here for Bitcoin, you're retracing to this low because you broke up, okay? At this point, this fall down here was retracing to this low, and at this point, I remember giving you this absolute on the dollar target, not only because it was this swing low and it was a target as you were coming down and you're losing this high, okay? Because you lost this high just there, you rallied into resistance, conforming, came down. It was also a Fibonacci target. Let me show you. It was a 1272. Okay, so there's a little bit of confluence here that we're sort of mirroring this correction that we went through, and I say correction because that's exactly what I think it is. I think we're in a correction of a bull market. I mean, look at that. I gave everyone that target last summer. Go back to the videos. The 1272 fib lining up with that target there, and boom, met on the absolute dollar. From there we came up, retested in a high low a month later, and then we were gone. So, you know, there is a possibility right now that Bitcoin's mirroring that, because just here, look, we've broken this key resistance here, and everyone got really bullish, including myself, expecting continuation. I did make a video a couple of weeks ago about this potential scenario playing out, where we put in this bit of a bull trap. At this point we start to come down, and then we start to come down, and we come down to this white line here, okay, which was a target the whole way down. Because if we take a look from this high here all the way down, that's around about 55%. Okay, now this correction just there for Bitcoin in the summer last year, this actually came down, this A wave came down around about 55% as well. So it's almost as if the C leg here is trying to mirror the A leg, isn't it? Okay, no guarantees, obviously. You know, to invalidate this particular bearish scenario that I'm showing you right now of playing out, we have to break this resistance and break this high at 48266. But for me, I don't necessarily think this is a bear market. Okay, you know, I didn't think that this was a bear market, and it was proved fruitful because we put in that beautiful impulsive break, and we rode it all together. We actually put bids in on this low as well, which is amazing. We rode it all up together, and we did really well, and we met 2 1618 targets at each point. ABC correction here, we got this absolute knob on, a little bit overextended here, and then we came in, we was looking for retracement, but we've lost it, and we've actually created something called a reversal wave. So what we're doing right now, we're still within this reversal wave. Okay, to break out of this reversal wave, we have to come up and break that high, okay, because at the moment you've come up impulsively, and you was correcting to this low, you've lost it, and you've actually bounced off the 1272 fib there, and you've come up and you rally into resistance like that. Basically, you know, retracement, a fake out, basically a false breakout, and right now you look as though you might start to come down. Now if you lose the 1 fib at 3432, you've got the 1272 there and the 1414 of this big reversal wave that you're actually in. Do you understand that? Coming back down. and that would actually be a nice little low. You know, do we come to the 1618? You know, do we come to the 1618 of this small reversal wave here as well? Who knows? No one's got a crystal ball. So that's basically Bitcoin. Okay, you've got some support targets right there. The minute we are retracing, if we coil up and start to come back up, so be it. It's all about the resistance. Okay, but create a reversal pattern here, start to come back up the stairs, break out. We're not going to come down to these levels, but if we do start to fall down and we lose this 1 fib here, okay, and you can see this 1272 as well. If you do start to come down, start to do this, boom, your minimal target is down here on the 1414 and this 1272, this smaller reversal wave that we're putting in potentially right now, and this large reversal wave that we're actually in right now, okay, looking for the support. So that's basically Bitcoin. It's a potential target moving forward, but if it does do that and we bounce on this level, okay, and everyone's going to get really bearish, just like they did here on this 1272, expecting Bitcoin to go to 20k, but we held support, okay, that could actually be your low, because at that point you've come down in 5 waves like this. 1, 2, 3. This is a 4 with a bit of a bull trap, and then boom, 5. See you later. Your low's in, you're going to break back bullish, okay, and that's it. Your correction's over, and you've got this big ABC running flat correction, which you can see the C wave is still a higher high than the A wave. It's a possible scenario, okay, and this is what I do. I always show you every scenario that I can find, basically. So have it on your radar. If you do start to see a correction here for Bitcoin, a really strong area of support would be around about 31479, which is the 1414 of this reversal wave target that you're actually in for Bitcoin, okay. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye-bye.